Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can attach an attachment in your email on Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open your Yahoo Mail, you need to hit the compose option and tap on to option and add in your recipient. Once you have added in your recipient, you need to now type in your subject, and beside send you can find the clip like icon. So simply tap on it and tap on attach files from your computer. So you can attach any of the file that you want to attach in your email and hit the open button. Once it is completely downloaded, hit the send button, and in this way the message that has been attached to your email will also be sent to the recipient you had typed the address of. So in this way you can attach email in Yahoo Mail app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.